CHM Machinery, one-stop paper sheeting solution provider. CHM Machinery has won unanimous praise from customers at home and abroad for its excellent independent road capabilities, excellent sheeting machine performance and considerate after-sales service. At present, the production base in Dongguan, known as the World Factory, covers an area has a nearly 50,000 square meters. Building a workshop mainly produces the high-precision synchronized fly sheeter, an A4, A3, A5 copy paper sheeting and packaging production line. Building B workshop, CNC machine workshop, mainly processing the parts of the machine. Building C workshop, mainly produces the sheeter oil-pressed unwind stand. Building D workshop, mainly produces the precision high-speed sheeter. CHM Machinery, a servo-driven high-speed, high-precision and high-efficiency paper sheeter. Capable on wide range of paper, board paper, art paper, craft paper, etc. Widely used by printing, packaging and paper suppliers. CHM Group has a strong production capacity to meet the current market demand. CHM not only has a production base in Dongguan, but also has a nearly 50,000 square meters production base in Yangzhou, Shandong, and also has a nearly 50,000 square meters production base in Jiangsu Dong Taifuan. It can timely and quickly provide the better paper sheeting solution to the customers in the Pearl River Delta, East China, North China, and the Yangtze River Delta. A4, A3, A5 copy paper sheeting and packaging production line. So far, more than 10,000 paper industry companies have already chosen to use CHM Machinery around the world. CHM Machinery, one-stop paper sheeting solution provider.